Oh my gosh, that's great. So this is, how many rows does this control?
This will control 10 rows.
Okay.
Right now, so the pump works off of a pressure drop. So I can see the pump is coming on right now. So once it drops to a certain pressure, the pump will kick on. And right now, we're pressurized in the line.
Okay.
So I've got about 60 psi upstream, and we're holding right at about 30 downstream, which is pretty ideal for these sprayers. These sprayers work under a range of pressure anywhere from 20 to about 40 psi. We're right in the middle, which I call the sweet spot, right at 30 psi.
Okay.
This is what the system was designed for. We ran the calculations in the math, and we're putting out about 4.3 to 4.4 gallons an hour per emitter. Now there's 4 emitters in a pot. We're putting out about 170 gallons a minute at the pump station. So working that math backwards, we're right in there, right at about 4.3, 4.4.
Okay.
Yeah. A couple features here. We got our air valves. This is our maintenance valve. The disc filters, I think I pointed out earlier. Electric valve with the pressure regulator. And then we've got some nice features on here. Gauge. We've got a clean out here, so we can easily clean this filter if it's clogged up. I haven't run all of the zones yet. Just kind of buttoning up some other details, but flushing out the lines, we'll get some debris in these filters, and then after that it should just be mainly just nutrient buildup within the lines.
Okay.
Now we also put a flush valve at the end of the field with the gravel pits, and so we can also flush the lines into there if there seems to be some form of buildup within the system. So they'll probably do that maybe once a week, or they're going to be feeding sometimes teas and other things that can build up within the system. So after an event like that, we flush the line out and reset it for the next watering period.
Okay. Pretty amazing.
So these are called spot spitters. This form of irrigation is a drip irrigation, is more of a spray over the top of the root ball. We get a nice even watering versus a drip system that typically channels. So this is a nice coverage over the top of the root ball. Another nice feature about this is when it comes to flushing the plant, a lot of growers will flush the plant at the end of the season. And with the sprayers, we can really run some water through the soil, through the pot, to leach out any of the excess salt buildup, nutrient buildup, versus the drippers where it's almost impossible to actually do a flush. And there you have it.
All right.